In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove Gemini from Google Messages. So in case you've been using Google Messages, I'm going to open up the app right now, and you see this icon down here at the bottom right, just above where it says Start Chat, and if you click on it, this pops up, and this is kind of bothering you and you don't want to see it anymore. Here's how we can actually remove it and completely turn off Gemini inside Messages. So at the very top right of my screen, you want to click on your avatar under your Google profile image. Then down here you will see Message Settings at the bottom, which is the penultimate option. Click on it, and in here you want to scroll down until you see an option which says Gemini in Messages. Open this option, and in here it's pretty self-explanatory. It says Gemini in Messages, show Gemini button, easily chat with Gemini in Messages. Now if you turn this off and you then go back out to Messages, as you can see, the Gemini button is no longer there. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.